Welcome to day 6. Today I will show you how to make these cute jack-o'-lantern floats. To make your own, you need vanilla ice cream, a 2-liter bottle of orange flavored soft drink, cups, and adhesive jack-o'-lantern faces. Start by decorating your plastic cups. I use my cutting machine to make these, but you can use a permanent marker and draw on your own design. This would be a great part of the construction to let your little ones get involved with. Once your cups are ready, pour a small amount of soft drink in the bottom of each cup. Add a scoop of vanilla ice cream on top. Pour some more soft drink over the ice cream to finish the drink. Insert a straw and start slurping the creamy goodness. These would be so fun to drink with dinner before heading out to do some trick-or-treating or for serving along with other yummy snacks at a Halloween party. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.